all, all, all. Pessoal, pega essa. Aprendemos aqui com os meus vídeos que a letra E no final de algumas palavras não tem som. Porém, quando ela está do lado da letra L, e aí eu tenho a junção de L mais a letra E, eu vou ter um som específico. E esse som é all, all, all. Tem que levar a língua lá no céu da boca. Sim, ok? All, all, all. Table, table.
Table. Table for one.
Inevitable, inevitable.
It was inevitable that my shift in alliances would be exposed.
Apple, apple.
Raspberry, blueberry, cherry, plum, pear, peach, apple, apple honey, honey lemon, lemon banana, pineapple, kiwi.
Little, little.
What happened to her? This little Miss Twinkletoes.
Sail, sail.
I think you're very anxious about this sale.
Ankle, ankle.
Looking for the ankle lock, of course.
Apostle, apostle.
The dear holy apostle wrote to me, a nobody, a junkie, a pimp, and a convict.
Motorcycle, motorcycle.
Now please, give a warm welcome to our motorcycle sanitation engineers.
Castle, castle.
Hello, Castle and Max.
Circle, circle.
Come on, circle, 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 circle.
Title, title.
However, title.
Vehicle, vehicle.
Milland was a passenger in the vehicle and had been targeted in an ongoing observation of the Pink Coral Inn.
Agora vamos ler texto redigido por mim. Here we go. I go in circle with a motorcycle. I am an apostle in a castle with no title. At the table, it's inevitable. I eat an apple. Gostou, né? Então me segue para mais @professortiagoleonardo inglês. Bye bye. See you.